Alright, welcome back. So just kind of have a quick video here on variables and how you can change the readout over on the screen. So let's go to variables here real quick, and we just have this my variable. We'll go ahead and make a new one. We'll just call it score. Okay, and we'll just do for all sprites, and it'll show up here. Now if I uncheck this, obviously it's not going to show up, but if I click the check, we can see the score. And so maybe some of you have seen, different programs and games where you have different looks for this. So you can double click on this and it can make it just this. And as we, if I wanted to create an event, let's just go ahead and use a spacebar for this. And then we're going to change the event by 1, right? So every time I hit space, it's going, gotta select score. It's just gonna go up by 1, right? And then let's make another event here when I hit the green flag, and we'll have it set it back to 0. Okay, so we're back to 0, and if I hit spacebar, we can increment that up, right? So you can, if you wanted to, you could just double click on these and change it. You do have a slider, and you just have the scoreboard, the normal score that shows up. Or you have this version. You can also right click on these and you can say normal readout, large readout, or the slider, or you can hide it. And if we actually go to slider and right click, we can actually change the slider range. So we can say what's our minimum value and what's our maximum value. So we'll just leave it 0 to 100. And then as you slide, you can change that value. So obviously for score, this really wouldn't work, but maybe this is for hit points, or you're creating something on the screen and you're going to use that variable number, and you can adjust that using your slider. Okay, so just kind of a quick tip on how to use those. And again, you can just double click these. This is a really good way to use it too. And you can also right click. You can also hide it from here too if you wanted to. But if you wanted to change the slider range or add the slider in, if you wasn't sure how to do that, this is how you create that in Scratch. Alright, so hopefully that helps you, and good luck with your coding.